Here's a 2018 Honda CR-V. The everyday happens, every day, so enhance it with an SUV that refuses to be boring. The continuously variable transmission with sport mode and the active shutter grille give it fun driving dynamics. The easy fold-down 60/40 split rear seat allows you to fill up the interior with gear, while the active noise cancellation keeps the cabin from filling up with road noise. It also features Bluetooth, multi-angle rear-view camera, and Eco Assist system. Find adventure. Take this CR-V for a test drive today. It's a 2018 Honda CR-V. Bigger than the previous model year, this CR-V also brings gains in fuel economy and power, resulting in a capable SUV for whatever path you choose, be it paved or not. The fold-down 60/40 split rear seat and cargo area tie-down anchors make it easy to fill it up, and you won't have to fill up with gas as often thanks to the Eco Assist system and Econ button. Inside, you'll enjoy the peacefulness provided by active noise cancellation and the peace of mind of the multi-angle rearview camera. Set the trend when you take this CR-V home today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.